Hello, this is Chaudhry Mahmood Anwar and welcome back to your own research and statistics education channel. Today I'll present on methods of theory building. Agenda: Theory building steps. In this lecture, we will present important steps involved in theory building. So here are the important steps. Step number 1 is recognizing theory. First of all, you need to recognize theory. Whatever you are studying or reading in your research paper, or you want to criticize the statement under consideration. So you need to recognize theory. Always remember that references are not theory. Data are not theory. Variables and constructs are not theory. Diagrams are not theory. The second step is determining the kind of theory. You need to determine what kind of theory you are working on or you want to work on. There are many kinds of theories. For instance, scientific theory, philosophical theory, biological theory, mathematical theory, phenomenological theory. Now we are going towards the third step of theory building process. The third step is methods of theory building. In this step, you will apply various methods to build your theory. So the first method is criticism and second method is construction. Criticism has been subdivided into two methods. One is explication and second is evaluation. Similarly, construction has been divided into two sub-methods. Number 1 is emendation and number 2 is extension. Summary: theory building is a three-step process. Number 1, recognize theory. Number 2, determining the kind of theory. Number 3, applying methods of theory building. There are two methods. Number 1, criticism. Number 2, construction. Criticism has two sub-methods. Number 1, explication. Number 2, evaluation. Construction has two sub-methods. Number 1, emendation and number 2, extension. I hope you find this lecture useful and informative. Thank you very much for attending my lecture. If you want to learn language of theory, please contact me at the given address.
Are you tired of rejection of your academic scholarship? Submit your research to International Journal of Management, Economics and Social Sciences. With us, you will experience a reputable publishing platform that will guarantee high-quality peer review. Our unique mentorship program enables you to develop your research to increase the chances of publication. Our editors are eminent researchers who will provide the much-needed impetus for your academic works. Visit www.ijmes.com and get your work published.